Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. Welcome if you are new. I love all things makeup, so I'm here today to show you guys some of my 2019 favorite makeup products. Now this is going to be part 1 because I'm pretty sure I'm going to have up to part 3 because I have way too many favorites. Tons of favorites. I have them all in this little container right here. But today I'm just going to show you some of them and how I apply them to my face. So if you are interested to see, if you're interested to see what some of them are, we're going to do a full face today. So just keep watching. Alright, first things first, I'm going to hydrate my face. Now, I love going in with this right here. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut Setting Spray, and I'm almost out of this. And I feel like I haven't, hold on, spray the face really good because this girl needs some hydration. I have some dry spots in this area, which I never usually get, but you can see how shiny that is, but we're going to let this all sink into the skin. I love this stuff. Now I have the cucumber kind, but I'm not like the biggest fan of the scent of the cucumber. There's just something about this coconut one that I absolutely love. So I highly, highly, highly request these. Like if you haven't tried them, you need to because they're very inexpensive and it just smells really good. So as you can see, that just dries down and just made my face like super plump and hydrated. So I got this right here, the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Facial Oil in my BoxyCharm, and I have been liking this on days where I just need a bit more hydration. Very, very pretty, and just going to add this all over to my face. So one thing I think a lot of people think if they have an oily face, like I have an oily T-zone, a lot of people do not moisturize the areas that are usually very oily, but that is a big no-no. You're still supposed to moisturize because, I mean, that area still needs moisture. Okay, so I'm going to let that all soak in to my face. Now I'm going to go in with eyebrows. So my favorite eyebrow pencil, I could say, I have 2 of them. One is the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and I did a tutorial on how to fill in your brows. I'll link that above for you guys. But the next one, do not mind my nails also, guys, they're terrible, is the It Cosmetics, making sure you guys are in focus, the It Cosmetics Brow Pencil, and this one is in Universal Taupe, love it. And then the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Brown Dip Brow Gel. Now I outline my eyebrows with this, and then I go in and fill it in with this. So I will show you guys that, but it's just going to be a speed through. So let's do my brows.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5, and I've been working after work since last September.
Okay, so to clean up my brows, guys, this is actually one of my new favorites. So I know it's kind of cheating just a little bit, but it's in 2019, and it's only been like 2 weeks since I've been doing this, but I love it. And this is the ColourPop No Filter Foundation, and mine's shade is in Fair 05. Now this is the best way to clean your brows. You just get a flat brush like this and use a stick foundation, and you can just go in and clean up your eyebrows so easily. I learned this from Juicy Jazz here on YouTube, and she has to be one of my favorite YouTubers. I just love her so freaking much, but it's such an easy way to clean up your eyebrows. Like, freaking love. And then you can also use it to prime your eyes, like obviously I'm doing. And I'm going to blend that in with a beauty blender, because today's eye look is going to be something super simple. I'm wearing a black and white shirt, and I didn't want to do anything too crazy for the eyes, but next video I will do one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, which I've had a lot of favorite eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, the eyes are set. Now I'm going to go in with my face primer. Now this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte. A little too much face primer, and I do feel like this helps me stay matte throughout the day. I like the consistency of it. I feel like it really just feels like you're putting lotion on. I probably should have put it on before I put some foundation on in the middle of my eyebrows, but whatever. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the eyes. Now I want to set the eyes real quick, so I'm going to go in with the Stay Matte powder, which I'll show you guys a little later on in the video. Set the eyes a little bit, but like I said, today's going to be a very simple eye look. So I'm going to go in with the Profusion glitter and just put this all over my lids. Now I've mentioned this in a few of my previous videos that these are for sure dupes for the Stila glitters. They might not be as pigmented right off the bat, but they're very buildable and they are way cheaper. Like a fifth of the price pretty much, or maybe even more than that. So I like to just put this on. I'm going to bring it kind of higher up today so we can really get that glitter effect, and then I'm going to kind of like wing it out. Looks like I might be needing to get a new one of these because mine is just about gone. Goes to show you that I really like this stuff a lot, but very pretty. Okay, so now we're going to conceal my under eyes while this glitter dries down before I put my liquid eyeliner on. I'm going to go in with the Pixie Correcting Concentrate in Brightening Peach. Now, if you guys have not tried this, then you need... Sorry, Matt was saying something. Then you need to, because look at these dark circles, and look how they disappear. Now, Bobbi Brown has a color corrector, very, it's like an exact same thing as this, and I love it, but it's very expensive. And Pixie is a very expensive brand too, but you can see how that just really brightened it up. Now I can even go in on these red areas, put this over it, and it just color corrected that. So I highly recommend this. Think I might in the new year. I know LA Girl has those squeezy tubes that has like an orange color corrector that I've used before, but I think it's a bit brighter for my liking. Sorry, totally showing my bra strap. And I really do enjoy this. So if you guys know a really good like peachy kind of color corrector for underneath the eyes, let me know, because this mama needs it. All right, so next, this is still drying down, so I'm going to go in with foundation. Now guys, one of my favorite foundations is this one right here. And this is the L'Oreal Infallible Up to 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and it's got SPF 25 in it. I love it. I love the pump. Don't mind mine is dirty, but this I just squeeze on my face like so and go in. Beauty blender, love it. I think this is an actual beauty blender, but you don't need an actual beauty blender. I love the Real Techniques one. I love the Beauty Bakery one, or Baker Blender or something like that. I forgot what it's called. I have a handful of favorites. To me, it's just like the perfect foundation, and it blends in amazing, as you can see. Okay, so now is concealer time, and I'm going to go in with a full coverage concealer because I want, oh my gosh guys, this shirt. I want a full coverage look. So this is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and I have been enjoying this one. I do really love the Ulta one. I feel like the coverage is just so amazing. This one does brighten up the skin a lot, as you can see. Okay, so I usually would bake my face almost every time I do makeup, but some days my face likes to seem a bit more textured than other days, depending on what products and stuff I use. So with this combo, I'm just going to go right in with a pressed powder and set everything. And if I need to go in, if I need to go back in during the day and set my face again, I will. But again, this is all-time favorite Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I don't think I've found one that I love as much as this one, being completely honest. This is the best pressed powder that I've found. And you can get it in translucent. Mine's in buff beige, but you can get it in translucent. You can get it in any color. So contouring the face. This is by far one of my absolute favorite contouring and bronzing the face palettes. This is a Profusion highlight and contour. The highlights in it are great, but we're going to use a different highlight today. So I like to mix these two shades right here. Alright, yeah, those two shades. And just bronze my face. And this is going to make such a huge difference. You guys can see, because right now I do look very washed out. But see? Really great color. And it blends out amazing. I just got tons of Profusion products for Black Friday, so I plan on doing like a full face of Profusion. I feel like Profusion is not talked about enough and how amazing it is. I got another contour palette from them, and I am very excited. Alright, next up is by far one of my all-time favorite blushes. My sister Emily gave me this. This is from one of her Ipsy bags. This is the Claudio Cosmetics, I'm pretty sure, in Skin Blush. You can see how much I've used this. This, like I said, is amazing, guys. It is kind of a highlighting blush. It gives you a bit of glow on the cheeks, which I am so okay with. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, we're gonna go in with my highlighter. One of my favorite highlighters, the Airspun Loose Face Highlighter in Snow. Sorry, guys. In Snow Much Ice. Alright, and you guys are going to see how blinding and amazing this is. I love it so much. I'm going to go in with, I've been using like the most random brushes to highlight my face. So we're going to go in with this one. This is a AOA one. Watch this. Like, look how crazy that is. Now I'm going to go in with my wet beauty blender and really blend that in because I want a pretty highlight, but I don't want it too blinding today. Do you see how much that can be like blended in to the face? So I'm going to go ahead and just spray my face real fast, even though I still have a few things else to apply. But guys, this is my all-time favorite setting spray right now. I just purchased this last month, and I've used it before and never realizing how much I love it, but oh my gosh. Like, drown me in this stuff. It stinks. Like I was telling a few of you guys, sorry. Like I said, this shirt's driving me nuts. But this stuff sets your makeup, makes it look so amazing. If your face is looking cakey or anything like that, put this darn Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray on and it'll make your face look amazeballs. Okay, all-time favorite eyeliner for 2019 is the Ciate London Starstruck eyeliner. Now it comes with an eyeliner like this on it. Then it comes with a star, which is very, very cute. Alright, so I'm just going to do probably a thick black liner. Alright, next up, going in with my favorite mascara, one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. Guys, this stuff is incredible. I'm so glad my friend, now this one is almost dried out and almost out for me to use, but I just bought a brand new one on Black Friday because it was on sale for $10, and I'm like, heck yes. But I'm glad my friend Trisha told me about how amazing this was. With the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit, because this one like separates the lashes and really makes them look longer. Look at the difference. So this eye to this eye, so much better. All right, I'm gonna apply it to this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, last but not least is the lips, and if you guys do not know me, I am the biggest fan of glossy lips. So this right here is from Floss. I know it's such a weird name, but this is my new favorite, well, lip gloss. Yall, I don't know, but one of my favorite glosses. Just gives that perfect shine to the lips. So this is the finished look with some of my favorite products from 2019. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you have tried any of these products and how you liked them. Let me know down below also some of your favorite makeup products, because I would love to try them out in 2020. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure you stay tuned, subscribe, hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on my next 2019 favorites part 2 video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
You just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you. You drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time?